Hello class, I am writing this to you because I want to show you some of the things that we may be using during the course of this semester. One of those things is known as web conferencing. Now, this particular feature has a lot of options in it that we may use in various formats. For instance, for some reason I'm unable to be in class, but we still need to make sure that we're covering content. I may be able to come on here and give you a video lecture that then you can then watch at your leisure and respond to. Most often I will not have you do something where you will need to be live at the same time, unless of course we are doing our midterm conferencing, or if you need to do some one-on-one sessions and we're having some difficulty using like a Google Meet or a Google Hangout. This may be the place where we come. The difference being that in this current state, I'm the one doing the talking, and you all aren't present yet. If we were to do conferencing, we would both be present at the same time. I hope to try to practice this when we're in class. I'm going to try to bring my little camera device down to the classroom today. Anyway, let me show you some of the features that this has. Well, obviously you see it has this big screen here. There are also all of these whiteboards. So if I did need to give instruction, there's a variety of ways that I can get on here and, try to write my name and do other things. It's not pretty, let's just say that. But if we do end up having something where, let's say I'm meeting with you in a group of people, it does have this function where you can raise your hand, and I can see that, and then that would let whoever has control of the monitor to know that someone else is speaking, particularly if you don't have your microphone or if you're not having that function and you only have chat options. Other things that this can do, you can have a chat that goes while the video is also being conducted, where you type in your little message here, like hello, and that would get posted. Obviously I didn't spell that right, but anyway, you get the idea of how that would work. Like I said, I'll probably use this at least twice throughout the course of this semester, so I want you to be familiar with it. I'm going to try to have this post before we get to class so you can at least look at it at your leisure. Make sure that you give some sort of a response in a format that I'll present to you at a later time, most likely with instructions. And this should just give you an idea of some of the things that we may do while we're in class together. Alrighty, I hope that this was helpful and just introducing you to the web conference feature. And we'll practice it a little bit. Perhaps I'll have you guys do an assignment where you meet me in this space and we just chat, or I'll use it as a follow-up just to get to know you all a little bit better. Okay, just wanted to let you know that this is one of the options that we have and something that will be available to you in the future. All right, talk to you later.